Good morning, students. I am Naik sir. Today I am going to explain everything I need to know I learned in the forest, written by Vandana Shiva. This is the first time I am going to explain through online class. So, students, you have to listen carefully and make understand about yourselves. This lesson is going to describe the elements, the important elements of the forest. The first one is Chipko movement. Second one is biodiversity, Navadanya form, Navadanya movement, and Earth University. Thirdly, rights of nature. Fourth one, the Tapovana or forest school. These points are very important because according to the questions frame, according to these points, the questions will be framed in the final exams. So we have to listen these points and make understand. The first one is that Chipko movement. Vandana Shiva is born 1952 in Dehradun in the forest of the Himalayan region. Her father was forest conservator and her mother was farmer or agriculture. After fleeing the tragic partition of India and Pakistan, Vandana Shiva's mother imbibed the forest culture and she composed songs and poems about trees, forests, Indian culture, and Indian forest civilizations. Vandana Shiva involvement in the contemporary ecology movement began with Chipko, a non-violent response to the large-scale deforestation that was taken place in the Himalaya region. In 1970, a peasant woman from her region in Garhwal, Himalaya, and known that the real values of the forest are timber from the dead trees, springs, streams, food for their cattle, and fuel for their hearth. A village woman called Bachani Devi, she opposed her own husband because who had obtained a contract to cut the forest trees. When forest officer arrived at the forest to cut the trees, then Bachani Devi and along with other women of their region, they held up lighted lanterns. Although it was a broad daylight, it was a, and told them the real value of this forest. They have to come here to teach you about the real value of the forest. Then the forest officers become angry and told them the real value of the forest produce profit, resin and timber. But Bachani Devi replied them, no, the profit only never looks. But for lives, the forest bears soil, water and pure air, and it sustains the earth. In this way, the woman succeeded to save the forest. The narrator, before going to Canada to do her PhD, she visited her favorite forest for swimming, but she was shocked to see the forest had disappeared and the stream was reduced to a trickle. So, Vandana Shiva became an activist of Chipko movement. She participated in the Padayatra. She documented the deforestations and the works of the forest activist, and also she spread the message of Chipko movement. Second one is biodiversity. Means Navadanya Farm or Earth University. Vandana Shiva is a famous environmentalist and learned about the biodiversity conservations in the Himalayan forest. She decided to transfer the lessons of protections of biodiversity in the forest in the farms. She started Navadanya Farms in 1994 in the Doon Valley. It is a movement for biodiversity, conservations and organic farming. So, she started a demonstrations and training for farmer about biodiversity. The seeds were collected from farmers' field and saved properly, and 100 community seeds banks were started across the world. They practiced and promoted biodiversity, which produced more food and nutrition per acre. They conserved and grew 630 varieties of rice and 150 varieties of wheat and hundreds of other spices. The farmer were taught to avoid the fossil fuels and chemical based monoculture. The Earth University is inspired by the ideas of Rabindranath Tagore. It is located at Navadanya Farm. Earth University teaches Earth democracy. The popular courses organized in the Navadanya Farm, that is A to Z of organic farming and agroecology and Gandhi and globalizations. They learn to work with living seeds, living soil and the web of life. Third one is rights of nature in global stage. Vandana Shiva refers to the activities of the nations and some organization regarding protecting the earth. First one is Ecuador is the first country which has recognized the rights of nature in its constitutions. One more country, Bolivia, also initiated universal declarations of rights of Mother's Earth. These two incidents inspired UN General Assembly to issue the report, that is Harmony with Nature, in 2011. Even though the UN General Assembly appealed to end the dominations of people over nature, men over women, and rich over poor, and they highlighted the importance of reconnecting with nature, and also they say that human beings are an inseparable part of nature. One more environmentalist, Cormac Cullinan, is an South African. He says that apartheid means separations of people on the basics of color, origin, etc. And one more philosopher, Caroline Merchant, is a philosopher and historian. She says Earth is not an example of dead matter, but it is a living matter. Because nowadays, in modern technology also developing in the world, that is also important. Even though we should maintain the earth greenery, then only we people live a healthy life. So, fourth one is Tapovana, means forest school. In his essay Tapovana, Tagore shares his idea about nature and its connections with the people of India. He writes that Indian civilizations, the piece of forest is responsible for intellectual evaluation. The best Indian ideas have come from the nature. The culture of forest has fueled the culture of Indian society. He focuses on unity in diversity and writes diversity without unity. So it becomes the source of conflict and contest. Unity without diversity becomes the ground for external control. Tagore says that forest is the source of knowledge and freedom, beauty and joy, art and aesthetics, harmony and perfections. These things we should learn from the natures. If you love the nature, nature also loves you. If you listen carefully about the nature, then nature will teach you how to live a life. See, the forest teaches us union, compassion, enoughness, and accumulations of wealth is the beginning of the joy of living. With this, whatever I have taken the points and highlighted to you, after listen these points, my lecture, you have any doubts, you call me and make clarifications. Thank you.